Hi there. In this video we are going to talk about PHP conditional statements. So conditional statements are used to perform conditional logic and based on the condition do something whatever you want. So there are three conditional statements. One is if, another one is if else, and then if else. So we will look one by one. So without any delay, let's jump into the code so that you get better understand. Let's create a new file. So first we will understand if statement. So let's say I'm going to take a number $c equal to 5, and this statement I'll check $c equal to 5, then echo this is 5. So this is the condition. If c equal to 5, then echo. So this is how you should use if statement. So whenever the c's value is 5, it is going to print this sentence. So let's try to run this. As you can see, it is displaying this. Let's say if we change a condition, so it is not going to do anything because this condition is not satisfied, so it is not going to execute this block. So this is the if, and now else. So what is else? So if this condition is not satisfied, then it is going to execute else part. So here, as our condition is not satisfied, so that it will go into the else condition. So as you can see, that's else. Now this is when you have to use multiple conditions. So let's take an example of percentage. Let's say you got 10%, and now we will going to create a logic where you will get multiple grades based on percentage. So for example, if percentage greater than 80, you will get distinction. Else if percentage less than 80 and percentage greater than 60, go first class. So as you can see, this is going to be multiple conditions. So between 80 to 60, it is going to be a first class if greater than 80, distinction, and last else pass class. So as this percentage equal to 10, which is not going to satisfy any of this condition, so it will go into the else. Let's execute this. So as you can see, it is displaying pass class. Now let's try to make between these numbers 80 to 60. So let's make it 70. So it is now, it is not less than 8, greater than 80. So this condition is not going to satisfy. It is less than 80 and greater than 60. So this condition is satisfied and it displays whatever written in this code block. Now let's make 90. So it is going to print distinction. So this is how conditional statements work in the PHP. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.